Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X13. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Overheating in laptops like the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 can often lead to performance issues and unexpected shutdowns. This usually occurs due to dust accumulation in the cooling system or a failing fan, which prevents proper airflow. If not addressed promptly, it could result in permanent damage to your device's components. To repair this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you have a clean workspace ready. First, let's open the laptop safely. Turn off the device and unplug it from the power source. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the laptop. Once all screws are out, carefully use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the cooling fan. This is usually situated near the heat sink. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've located the fan, gently disconnect the power cable attached to it. Next, remove the screws securing the fan in place and lift it out carefully, ensuring you don't disturb any surrounding components. After removing the fan, use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust buildup from the fan and the heat sink. This is crucial for improving airflow. Now, take the new fan and place it into the same position, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the power cable. Before closing everything up, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU, as this will help in enhancing heat dissipation. Once done, replace the back cover of your laptop and secure it with the screws. Finally, plug in your device and power it on to check if the overheating issue is resolved. If you notice any problems during this process or if you're unsure, don't hesitate to contact us at Kelatos. To prevent your laptop from overheating in the future, make sure to clean the vents regularly and keep the device on a hard, flat surface. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad for extra airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.